Balkanji Badi. In Balkanji Badi, that also was very small, a small place. But with my blessing, even that area also flourished and become very big today. Then we thought Tulip Star, nothing is going to happen in Tulip Star because of the big area and a lot of litigations and all. But with my blessing, again, that area also has flourished a lot. So we don't have a choice but to come to SNTT College now. That is our new venue. And this venue, compared to Tulip Star, is much bigger. Eva Pandal was there 100 feet. Today 150 feet. Breadth it was 80 feet, we were about 200 feet. To length, breadth, parking point, every point of view, SNTT is definitely more expensive. And not expensive, better location I would say. Expensive of course is there.
Being the oldest and the largest puja in the world.
It could be like a Moroccan type of theme, but that will not let go of our culture, which is going to be more present over here, our traditions. That won't change. It's going to be more beautiful, more bigger, and as this is the new venue, we want the world to see us in a new place, in a new way, and I hope this year we shall go beyond everybody's expectations. So let's see.
Mayanat, you have to pass any comment?
Not on the theme, but one thing just to add to what Shamrat is saying, what we are doing differently this year is that
One minute, let the brain pass.
on the the social media front, this our puja already is the world's most digitally watched puja. It's just that it was not consolidated. So this year we are stepping up the efforts further. The idea is that anybody, any Bengali, or for that matter, any any person who follows Durga Ma can watch whatever we are doing on various social media channels, be it Insta, YouTube, everywhere. So that is another new thing that we have been really stepping up our efforts. Last year was our first real year where we did something new. This year we are gonna make it much bigger. Like the digital scale of this puja is gonna go up a few notches this year.
The puja fever has already started. You can see the construction is happening here. Actually,
Sorry.
already started. The construction has started. So the other puja preparations where the rituals are going to happen, that also has been upgraded in a lot of ways, and the stage is going to be a little different this time. So you feel that even though we've advanced in a different to a different venue, but the tradition and the Gharua feeling is still going to be there. I think a lot more crowd can come here this year because the area is much bigger. So we're wishing all the best for our puja here.
Where we used to feed, say about 1,000 people. Now in one batch we can feed about 1,500 people. So that is the big thing. Each batch will cut 15, so about 4-5 batches. The thing gets over faster.
Moving locations would be challenging also.
Naturally.
It's what I would like to add is I think it is more accessible for people. This is more central, and there was a little bit of limitations of space, and I think we can cater to more people here. Everybody desires to come and have a look. I think we can cater to everyone. We would request everybody to please come and visit Ma, and she is beautiful every year. And we have something really special coming up this year for the decoration also and for the cultural programs as well.
So talking about performances, I would like to ask, we have Daler Mendi and Preetam performing. Every year it is a variety of,
This year we have, you see, unfortunately this year there's only 3 days of entertainment. There's Navami and Ashtami, and Navami and Dasami fall on the same day. So we have lost 1 day. So we got only 3 days for entertainment this time, and 2 days for both. Once Mark goes away, you can't have both. So you can't have both at that time on those days. So 1 day we have lost. So on Sosti we have called Pawan Kumar, the Indian Idol singer is Pawan Kumar. Second time we got Daler Mendi, we will have little Bhangra over there. And Preetam is.
Yeah.
So they are the 3 days we'll have. And
Jan, it's a new venue. What would you, like to say to all the viewers here? Shifted from Tulip to SNT grounds.
Firstly, Debu uncle pranam.
Pranam.
And secondly, this is a family tradition of sorts for us, and we're very happy that it's shifted to SNT. Although we're going to miss the old venue, but everyone says change is uncomfortable. I'm looking at the best side of this, and I'm very very excited about Durga Puja. Like every year, we've put in a lot of efforts, a lot of hard work. These people have worked incessantly to make this happen. So this year is going to be a different one, but I can assure you all that it's going to be as good as every year.
You're open for
Even
walk-ins
better.
now? Yes, it
the
is.
Even
main
better.
thing is the change of venue, because we have a footfall of over 1 lakh of people in a Durga Puja every day. Now that one, people will go to Tulip Star. I want those people to know through the press and through your media is what I want to say, that the venue has changed. This is what has to be hammered. So that 1 lakh of people, they don't go to Tulip Star and go back disappointed. So they should know that it is not there, it is gone to SNTC College. Which I request the press of you to please hammer this point, that the puja is at SNTC College. Thank you. That's it.
And one point to add, like the hallmark of our puja is the bhog. If you ask, let's say, Devu Kaka Shamrat, the first thing that we'll talk about is the bhog of our puja. And the feedback over the years had been so our bhog has grown bigger and bigger every year, and that was also one of the reasons to shift this to this venue. So we would like all of you to also broadcast the message that we have a much bigger venue for the bhog, which is the most special thing for all of us.
Rego, come.
So another thing I would like to point out is that the puja timings are very very early this time, very early in the morning. So any devotee who is interested in coming for the puja has to come here by 6:30, because that's when the puja will start, and the timings are very limited. So especially like people who come for Shondi Pujo, that is in the morning, that will start from 6:24 a.m. So that is very important that you all know that it is a very limited time. It's all in the morning, early morning.
Well, change is always important. Change होना चाहिए लाइफ में, and change is something very new. और माँ दुर्गा का आशीर्वाद तो है ही, वो चाहती है कि कुछ और नयापन हो, कुछ नए लोग जुड़े, कुछ नया कुछ हो. So it's very important, and I truly believe in that. We all should believe in that. तो अच्छा ही होगा पूजा, सबका हार्डवर्क है, सब मेंबर्स का हार्डवर्क है, और सीनियर सिटीजन्स लोग बहुत हार्डवर्क करते हैं इस पूजा के पीछे. सब लोग, द यंगस्टर्स, द यूथ, एवरीबडी, इट्स अ टीम वर्क टुगेदर, एंड वी ट्राई टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट एवरी ईयर. तो इस साल भी अच्छा ही होगा, सब माँ की कृपा है, माँ हमारी बहुत जागृत है, एंड इट्स अ वेरी हिस्टोरिकल पूजा. ये आज की पूजा नहीं है, ये बहुत ही, आई थिंक वी आर द 4th or 5th generations. The Lahiris are in this puja, my grandparents, and of course Mukherjee uncle and Dadu and Dada and my grandparents. So then my father Papi Lahiri, and then Rima Papa Lahiri, and now Rego bhi. So it's the 4th, 5th generation who has been carrying on this legacy. So of course जगह नया है और अच्छा ही होगा. सब लोग बहुत हार्ड वर्क है, पर आशा है कि आप लोग एंजॉय करें, और प्लीज कम टू द पूजा, एंजॉय द पूजा, बी विद अस. और अगर कुछ भूल चूक होता है तो माफ़ी चाहते हैं, पर इट्स अ न्यू थिंग.
नहीं, माफ नहीं करेंगे.
तो
It's only going to be bigger and better. That's all. Look forward to bigger and better.
Regu, what do you have to say?
I have to say that I'm like my first star of my singing career started from this stage, from this bunch, and I know this puja is going to be a great puja because we are
Dhamaka.
we are coming to a different location right now, and a lot of people will come up to the puja, and it's going to be really good this year. And I'm really grateful to everybody who's working so hard to this puja, and always try to go to all the members and to everybody, to the workers, to the people, to the associates, to the MBR, everybody आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. And the main credit goes to Devu Kaka. He's the pioneer of the puja in Sudha Shomnath. Everybody, the full Mukherjee family is the pioneer of the puja. And I hope you all will like this puja and we'll see you all there.
One thing I want to add about Rego. At the age of 13, this boy, contributed 1 lakh from his own income to the puja, to this puja.
This year also.
And 13-year-old boy contributing 1 lakh of rupees, and he does a very big thing. Very big thing. He deserves a big hand. Amazon.
Any message that you would like to give out as concluding?
Please come, SNTT is a new venue, please come to Maaschi.
SNTT Santa Cruz.
And also for parking, there is some more space, and food is going to be fab as every year, and even better. So, looking forward to seeing you all. Please do come.
Thank you.
Since we have a day less in this year,
Yes.
so we have both on 9 Nome also or no?
Only 2 days.
But don't worry, जितने लोग हम cover करते हैं, हम उसको cover कर देंगे क्योंकि
You see,
जगह ज़्यादा है.
when Ma is not there, you can't have a vote. So on the day she's here, you have vote. When she's gone away, then no point having
So
a vote.
10th and 11th are the 2 days of Bhog. 10th and 11th.
Of October.
Yeah. 10th October and 11th October.
You can have vote otherwise, but it has no meaning. I won't say.
We'll have beautiful stalls also.
Yes, we have stalls. We have about 30 stalls over there.
Everything will be the same, only that the location is different. That's it. Otherwise, everything is going to be
You can see
in fact,
the
much
layout.
better.
Yeah,
It's
massive.
huge.
Devi Pandal is that side. These are the things, the stalls are there.
All the adjectives, bigger, better, glamorous, tasty, sab dal. See you all.
Thank you.
We want some musical touch also when we are done and
John,
I would like to say one of my grandpa's classic. So shall I begin?
Yes.
यार मंगा है पूरी से आए काले यार मंगा है पूरी से आए काले पास बैठो जरा जो को तेरा रे मुझे प्यार
Good one, huh? Lego?
जुदा वाली बहारा वाली लहरा वाली ओ तूने मुझे बुलाया शेरा वाली शेरा वाली जय माता दी
as Rema Didi rightly said, Ma er jonne garchi amra. So I would like to sing absolutely, and I would like to sing a few lines as a homage to Ma coming and making all our lives better. Whoever knows, please join in. Of course, I'm sure you all might not be knowing it, but still I'll give it a shot. Jago, tumi jago, jago Durga, jago dasho proharono dhare. Obhayo shoti, bolo prodai tumi jago. জানো তুমি জানো বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয় বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয় বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয়
Thank you.